Well, folks, this is Steve A. I see a flashing light ahead. I think it's a fire truck. I got time to move over. Nobody behind me. Let's see what the flashing lights are about. Somebody got stopped by the state patrol. It may be that they're stranded there and that they're doing it for safety. Thank you to the folks who come to help us when we get into trouble. Steve A. saying see you in 73.